Hello, teacher. I make my contribution. Hello, mom. How are you? Young. I found conversation business with drama teacher. Drama is very nice. Good people are very friendly. They have good food. There are beautiful landscapes and the great architecture. Business that comes out from what is already ignored in the other cities. I am here because I have been early to know the most prominent museum in the world. It's a great amphitheater of the ancient era of the Roman Empire. It is difficult for me to communicate with Roman citizens because of their language. It is confusing, but they are very good people. Mother. In Roma, the songs that are told to his children are set for charity. I saw a mock match. I go away morning jogging while different purple people from different countries so we exchange ideas and information about many things like I love this place because of its history and its inspiration for its architecture. Besides, especially the Roman Colosseum fascinates me. I was never so happy in my country and in Roma. I don't not be happy because I have the last song. I would like to stay much longer and like more things and keep beautiful six more time be it from Rome. I like that a lot. I always I always take many photos for every I like about the Roman Colosseum. Bye, teacher.